Hello student, in this video I am going to explain you how to find the designation of min term, है ना, min term designation. Suppose we have to find the designation of this expression x, y bar, z bar. So first of all what we do? First of all we copy the original value, that is x, y bar, z bar. Okay. After this we substitute ones for non-barred and zeros for barred letters. So we substitute one non-barred variable and zero in barred variable. Okay. After this we write the binary equivalent of this one. So binary equivalent, you know, is a binary of 4. It's a binary of 4. So designation of this expression is, you can write this, it's a min term form. So we represent small m and 4 in the subscript form. Okay. So designation of x, y bar, z bar is m4. Or you can say it's a shorthand notation to representation of min term. Okay. Next term is canonical expression. Canonical expression can be represented in the following two terms: sum of product forms and product of sum form. You can write in short form SOP, sum of products, and POS, product of sums. So what is the definition of canonical expression? Boolean expression composed entirely either of min terms or max term is referred to as canonical expression. Means in your expression min term and max term both are present, or any one term is present, is known as canonical expression. Okay. Let's see the SOP expression. What is SOP expression? Sum of product form. So definition of SOP expression is, you can see here this one. When a Boolean expression represented purely as sum of min terms, it is said to be canonical sum of products form. Purely represented as sum of min terms. Clear? All min terms is present there, not a max term. So purely min term is present in your expression, so it's known as canonical SOP form. Let's see an example. Okay. Here is 3 variables x, y, z, and f is the result. It holds the result. So if we have to find the product terms or min terms, so how we write the min term form? See here, I already told you that we consider 1 in min term. So f is the result. So we see here is the output 1, here is output 1, and here is output 1. So we only consider only these terms where we get the result true. Okay. So we consider this one. So this one, what is the expression of this one? Here is x is 0, y is 0, and z is 1. So we can write our expression like this: x bar, y bar, and z. Y is bar because the value of x and y is 0. So in this we consider as 1. So we put the bar in these two variables. Clear? Same as it is in second term. Here is x 0, so x bar, y is 1, so without bar, and z is 0, so with bar. Clear? Next is this term. Okay, here expression is 1 0 0. So x without bar, y bar, and z bar. So this is the final expression of min term. You can write like this. It's a canonical form: x bar, y bar, z plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar. So this is the canonical expression. Why canonical? Because in this expression purely as sum of minterms, purely sum of minterm, is a minterm, is a minterm, is a minterm, it's a sum of purely minterm. So this expression is canonical SOP form. Clear that? Next is canonical POS form. POS, product of sum form. So what is the definition? When a Boolean expression is represented purely as product of max term, it is said to be in canonical product of sum form of expression. Okay, let's see within using truth table. Here is given x, y, z, 3 variables. So write the combination of these 3 variables, means 8 combination. In this table, f means result is already given. So we have to find the max term of this truth table. You can see here in max term we represent 0, means we consider 0. So here 0 is present, 0, 0. In result we consider 0. So 0. We see the combination or variables of this column, this row. So here is x is 0, y is 0, z is 1. In max term we represent 0. So 0, if your variable having 0, it means we represent same as it is. We means without bar. X, then we add this term, literal. X plus y plus z is 1. So we write here z bar. Clear? Next is here is the 0, result is 0. You can see here the 0, 1, 1. So x plus y is 1 and z is 1. So y bar plus z bar. Okay. Next, here is 0. So you can see, check the expression of values of x and y, x, y and z. X is 1, so x bar. Y is 0, so without bar, and z is 1, so z bar. You can write the final expression of minterm is x plus y plus z bar dot x plus y bar plus z bar dot x bar plus y plus z bar. So this is the final canonical POS form, product of sum. Product is a sign product of sum. Sum means x plus y plus z bar. Okay, product of sum. So it's a POS form, means canonical POS form. Clear? It's a canonical POS form and it's a canonical minterm form, or you can say canonical SOP form, sum of product form. Clear? These two terms, canonical expression, what is the canonical expression and what is the canonical SOP and canonical POS form. All of you write these